Oh guys, so my thermostat quit working and it is that temperature outside and 75. I got my backup furnace over there, so I'm not too worried about it. And I got this new thermostat. So it is midnight and let's get this thing hooked up. I shut the power off and the breaker off and everything, so let's get at it here. Oh my goodness. I hate South Dakota. Okay, so now this is very important to get these all in order. Okay, so it's very important that you get them in the right order. Now, red for gas goes here. Yellow right there. C, the blue one. White is white and green. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see this thing here. You gotta put the batteries in there to see these things going there. Okay, it's on there. So I'm gonna go and put your batteries in there. Put them in the right way. Okay, it'll come on. It says 75 inside. We're gonna leave this off here for now because I gotta flip the breaker on in the basement. Yeah, let's do that now. As you can see right now, it's not flashing nothing because the breaker's off. When you always change the thermostat, always shut the breaker off so you don't get electrocuted or damage stuff. This is a big no-no. Turn it on. And it's super cold out today. Tonight, actually 1 in the morning, this thermostat quit working. Now it's flashing normal operation. Okay. So we'll go and turn on heat mode and it should fire up. It says heat on. Let's go down and check. I hear it turning on. There it went. Only took 5 minutes. I have to crank it on 77 because this garage is underneath the house are cold and water pipes. There goes the blower fan. There we go. So you always can do a thermostat change yourself. It's not that hard. But with heat pumps, they're a little bit different than gas. So look them up though. Common wire and everything else. Don't want to get any of that thing all mixed up, because you could end up causing a lot of damage to the motherboard to the system. Hope this helps everybody.